The Iray SDK is what's known as a path tracer. It's designed to match reality as closely as possible.
It's a best in class in terms of the quality of images it can produce, and often these companies are specialists in their own particular domains, whereas Lightworks are specialists in rendering technology and solutions, so they look to partners like ourselves to help supply that specialist bit of technology.
It's a toolkit to be used to integrate into other people's customers' applications to provide a realistic rendering environment. Anything that actually requires some degree of photorealistic rendering.
Main users of the products tend to be the kind of design engineers within the business. So we're talking about people who are creating a building, creating a car, and they want to visualize the component or the product that they're making.
As your design evolves, you can see fast iterations of what that design is going to look like, all the way through to when you've completed your design, you can see the full photorealistic image.
During the process, there's a number of routes that customers can take. They can either do everything themselves, where we just license them the technology, and they have dedicated staff internally who will be doing the integration work themselves, all the way up to where they don't have any expertise at all and they really want to use Lightworks and our heritage and our background and skills to do the work for them.
It's the support that you get from Lightworks that really counts, and the dependency that we've been in this game a long time, and we'll be able to help you in many years to come.